Next, I'd like to demonstrate charging by induction. What I'm going to do is start with an uncharged electroscope and get a good negative charge on this rubber rod. And again, bring it nearby and observe what happens in that we drive electrons down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch that electroscope with my hand here and draw some of those electrons off onto my body. So some of those electrons have now been transferred onto my body. Notice I have not touched the electroscope with the rubber rod. What I'm going to do now is remove my hand and we'll observe what happens. I took some of the electrons from the electroscope onto my body, and so therefore the electroscope should now be charged positively. If the electroscope now has a positive charge, then when I bring the negatively charged rod up, let's see what happens here. Now I'm driving electrons again back down from the base down to the arms of that electroscope, reducing the effect of the positive charge on that electroscope, neutralizing it with negative charge, and we see that the arm drops down, indicating that the electroscope now has a positive charge on it. We can reduce the effect of that charge by driving electrons from the top down to those arms. Further, we can then take the glass rod when rubbed with silk, and the glass rod becomes positive, and it will attract some of those electrons from the arm up to the top, leaving those arms even more positively charged and causing them to separate even more so from one another, indicating that the electroscope has a positive charge and it's obtained that positive charge through induction.